August is Children's Eye Health and Safety Month. During this month, as we approach back to school, it's important to get your child's eyes checked. Our vision is one of our most important assets, if not the most important. If we can't see, it makes it pretty hard to take in the beauty around us. It also makes it hard to walk or run or read or write or play sports, and the list goes on and on. Many times we take our vision for granted, but that shouldn't be the case. Your child's eyes should be checked during regular pediatric visits. In fact, vision tests should be conducted starting at age 3. If you think your child may be in need of glasses or have an eye-related illness, visit an optometrist or an ophthalmologist. More than 12 million kids suffer from vision impairment, and eye injuries are one of the leading cause of vision loss in children. There are an estimated 42,000 sports-related eye injuries every year, and the majority of them happen to kids. Children should wear protective eyewear while playing sports or doing recreational activities. They should also play with age-appropriate toys. Parents should avoid toys with sharp sides or parts. For more information about children's eye health and safety, visit www.preventblindness.org. Take care of those eyes. We only get one set of them.